I couldn't wait. I just had to cross now. Oh, here we got 1, 2, 3. And what we're seeing is all the way out here, so you see really close up. We'll drive over there. We saw a car go through, but we don't know. Yeah. Or it's that bunch over there who wants the baby shot. So there's a baby right in here. And take it over there.
Oh.
We're done. We turned around, got some really nice shot across the road of some hungry mom. Give me some more. It twitches its little tail. He eats. We got our first. This one over here, I guess he's on guard now. He's setting off the alarm. Four o'clock local time, 6 o'clock to us. We're feeding Denden. Prairie dog? Yep. So this is one completed 22 months later after the first one burnt down.
This is the original building.
Yeah. In the next adventure.
Yep.